Today we're gonna talk about snails. Here we have one. In our country it is edible, so we eat them. And many people and gardeners have a complete hatred towards them. Mostly because they will eat the first shoots when they sow some plants, and also sometimes they can even eat ripe fruit. They are usually after the first rain, they lay the eggs around. I remove the caper so we see him, and after a couple of weeks they will hatch, or days. Snails are abundant, usually in humid places, and also slugs. They are from the same family, and when they are in small numbers they won't do much damage. Let's not forget there are also predatory snails which feast on these snails. So let's remember, these are not all snails do damage in our fields. Some feast on other snails, some feeds on other worms, and part of them eats grasses. It can be wild grasses or farmed grasses. As we can see, they aren't shy at all. Usually they hide a bit, and when attacked, I'm not gonna show you, there's no need to scare the bejesus out of the snail. When they are attacked, they release a lot of foam. This is a deterrent. It has two acts: one as a deterrent, and two, it tastes very bad. So insects, when they taste it, they usually leave it alone. The snail's predators are hedgehogs, shrews, a lot of birds, and so on. So it has a lot of predators. So it's easier to attract predators in your fields than to throw snail pellets around. It's easier. You can also go the organic way and put some bear traps around. Calcium broken eggshells don't work a lot in the fields. Actually, the shell of a snail, I'll find you that one, is made of calcium, so he will stop on the eggshells and eat them. So it doesn't have the effect of walking on glass, the eggshells, and actually it doesn't deter them at all. For me it's a myth, and it's better to work with the bear traps. The bear trap is simple. You just fill a small plate, put it level here with the soil, fill it with beer, and the snail will go have a sip. Usually it's the carbon which attracts it, the smell, and it will go have a sip and will drown in it. I know it may sound cruel, but at least it's the organic way. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for our main actor. If you like this video, please subscribe.